Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is blockchain. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our article for today is provided to us by IBM or International Business Machine. Thank you IBM. So what is blockchain? Blockchain is a shared immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions and tracking assets in a business network. An asset can be tangible, a house, car, cash, land, or intangible intellectual property, patents, copyrights, branding. Virtually anything of value can be tracked and traded on a blockchain network, reducing risk and cutting costs for all involved. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video on what is blockchain is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.